Hello and welcome to another crazy food lady recipe. Today I'm going to be making granola. I'm doing a bunch of hiking with the Girl Scouts and we've been making energy snacks, and granola is one of them that we made. I'm all out because it was so good that I just ate it all, and I need more because we're doing a 6-mile hike tomorrow in really bad air quality conditions. So I need granola to make up for it. So this is a great recipe because you can really tailor it to what you like. If you don't like oats, you can use something else. You need something that's going to take that place, but use the nuts that you like. Don't like nuts? Don't put them in. Do you like coconut? Throw that in. Don't like coconut? Don't put it in. Which dried fruits do you like? Put those in. Do you want to use honey? Do you want to use molasses? Do you want to use syrup? You can use the sweetener of your choice. So it's really cool. I'll put the link to the recipe down below because this is not my own recipe. It comes from Cookie and Kate, and it was an excellent recipe to make with the Girl Scouts. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. We have to preheat the oven, mix things up, press them into a pan, and then bake. So I have my oats, which are going to be the base. I'm going to use maple syrup. I'm going to chop up some almonds. I've got some pecans and some pepitas in here. Got some coconut flakes, some orange extract, a little olive oil, and an array of dried fruit options. Until it's just starting to brown. It's really easy to overdo it, so once you start seeing some browning, not just in one spot but spread throughout, you want to take it out and let it cool. It will crisp up further as it cools. Once it's cooled, which takes about 45 minutes, you can add your chocolate chips and your dried fruit and then put it into an airtight container for eating.